Guys, in this video, we will see how to fix black screen issue when receiving notifications on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue when receiving notifications, your screen is black, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on Start button and choose Device Manager. And here in Device Manager Windows, look for the device driver having problem and having yellow color exclamation marks against it. If you found any such type of problematic device driver, simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation marks. In my case, no any such type of device driver found. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. Go to the next fixes, right click on Start button and choose Settings. Here in the settings page, from the left side, go to System Settings. Thereafter, go to right side and here go to Display section. Click on it. Here, scroll down and you will find the option Advanced Display. Select it. Here, scroll down and go to choose a refresh rate. If you have already set it as 40 Hz, then change it to 60 Hz. And if you already set it as 60 Hz, then change it to 40 Hz. So change a refresh rate of your display section and check whether your black screen issues after notification resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. There's three DISM tool one by one: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt windows, follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command SFC scan now also. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next setting, go to settings space and here go to system settings. Here from the right side, go to notifications and here turn off notifications and also turn off notifications for the problematic app which you are facing after that app opening and your display screen is black. So turn off the notifications against all these apps or particular that app. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button, choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to Windows Update. Here from the right side of settings page, scroll down and go to Update History. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option uninstall updates. Click on it. Sometimes it happens that your OS recently if you updated and the problem arises, so uninstall recently updated your Windows recently update. Uninstall that particular update which you have recently updated, and after that your issues of black